Now here's a reason why you need to flush out your water heater at least once a year. See all that? Yeah, that was all inside my water heater. Pretty nasty stuff.